4 decades of excellence in ductboard manufacturing. We are GB Duct Board Factory, China's trusted leading manufacturer of premium duct materials, founded in 1980. Our factory covers 100,000 square meters of standardized industry workshops. We have built a dedicated R&D center together with Tsinghua University and Beijing University of Chemical Technology. We established China's top-tier platform for fire-retardant and thermal insulation materials, our advanced proprietary set. Our industrial stands across industry. We operate 18 fully automated production lines with over 100 sets of imported production and testing equipment. We conduct strict end-to-end quality control, from raw material sourcing to finished product delivery. Certified with ISO 9001, all our ductboard products exceed national industrial standards. They have gained wide recognition and trust from global customers. Our full product range includes fire smoke exhaust and vac duct solutions. We provide phenolic, polyurethane, fiberglass, and magnesium duct boards. Our integrated processing services eliminate middlemen. We deliver high-quality products at cost-effective prices. Choose GB Duct for reliable safety, excellent energy efficiency, and stable performance. We aim to become a world-renowned brand in fire-retardant thermal insulation materials. We are committed to long-term mutual growth and share its success with global partners.